Welcome to 204 Latitude Place. Professional pictures coming soon. This fully remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bath 1,966 square feet villa is located in the sought-after Seacrest area of the MiraBay community. Built by Westfield, this Meridian floor plan home provides a perfect blend of style, functionality, and modern upgrades. Step inside to find an open floor plan designed for comfortable living and entertaining. The updates in this home are truly one of a kind and a must-see. There are 2 additional flexible rooms that can be used as a formal office, lounge, formal dining, library. The choices are limitless. The wood-look tile floors throughout the home are both beautiful and practical, while 10-foot tray ceilings add to the spacious feel. Plantation shutters throughout the home provide privacy and an elevated aesthetic. Fresh paint and carefully selected lighting give the home a polished appearance. The heart of the home is the thoughtfully designed kitchen. Featuring top-grade countertops and new appliances, this space is both functional and stylish. High-end 42-inch soft-close cabinets, built-in drawers and 2 pantries provide ample storage and convenience. Under-cabinet and pendant lighting add a warm, welcoming touch, making this kitchen a dream for anyone who loves to cook or entertain. The primary bedroom is a private retreat with a custom walk-in closet designed for optimal organization. The ensuite bathroom feels like a spa, with a giant natural stone shower, frameless glass, and floor-to-ceiling tile. These details combine to create a relaxing, luxurious space to unwind. Outdoor living is easy with a screened-in paver patio, perfect for morning coffee or evening gatherings. The 2-car garage includes epoxy flooring and a hurricane-rated door, along with a newer 50-gallon water heater for added convenience. Living in MiraBay means enjoying resort-style amenities, including a 10,000-square-foot clubhouse, 24-hour fitness center, heated pool with a waterslide and lap lanes, and courts for tennis, pickleball, and basketball. This exclusive gated community also offers a range of activities for a vibrant coastal lifestyle. Fully golf cart friendly.